blew that way. It ain't coming from there. She don't care. What are you doing, Roxy? Hey, what are you doing? What y'all doing?
Hickman, Lewis, over toward Wayne, Lawrence County, you are completely in the clear. And I'd say 30 minutes from now, all areas west of 65 will be as well. Not quite yet, but it continues to shift further east. And so eastern Middle Tennessee is coming your way. Stand here for just a moment. I'm going to stay in the city right here for just a minute, right here. And if we move forward in time, we see this sort of hooky shape right here that develops.
Hope I don't get struck by lightning. Fucking serious shit, man, if I get killed, man, y'all would have thanked me for this shit. Holy shit, man. It's a lot worse than it looks on video, trust me. I can't even hear the tornado siren anymore. Oh shit. Hey.